Welcome everyone, I'd like to show you how to easily get a subscribe button on Snapchat. Now the process to get this is essentially we need to create a public creator account and then we'll get the subscribe button. And the subscribe button essentially allows users which, are anywhere in the world, instead of adding your account, they're subscribed. And what this means is if I just open up Snapchat, in this discover section, your videos will show up there as well. And yeah, it's pretty darn cool. So first of all, what we want to do is we want to check, are we supported for the subscribe button? Technically it's your public creator account. So I'll leave the link in the description and you can see here is what we need to do. So first of all, we need to be 18 and older, and I'm not 18 or older, so I can't get the public creator account. And then we need, a large scale and enlarged audience. So essentially, do you have good engagement on your Snapchat stories? If yes, you're good to go. Authenticity, are you representing a real person, or are you just doing cat videos? And then content quality, and just read this. I'll leave it in the description. And if you are eligible, we can apply. So all we need to do is, I recommend as well, you get a US VPN, and that's because what I've noticed is if you apply in the US, you usually are able to be accepted. So I will just search up like VPN at free or something. I use Surfshark personally, but Surfshark costs money, so it's really up to you. So we'll just connect to New York any moment now. There we go, lovely. And so here's what we want to do. So I just advise you refresh Snapchat. And what we want to do first of all is we're going to tap on our profile. Then we'll tap on settings. And I'm going to do it up here. Then we're going to scroll down. And you see who can contact me. You want to set this to everyone. Send me notifications, everyone. View my story, everyone. Once we've done this, we're going to go back to this page. And usually the option to create a public creator account is found in the following spot. So you can see stories, add to Snap Map. If you tap on the triple lines, usually you'll have an option below add to story which says create a public account. Now unfortunately I do not have this option because again I'm under 18. Now the option also might show up if you have a section which says Spotlight and Snap Map, and then you should have an option which says add to Spotlight or Snap Map, something like that. Then you just be able to tap on the triple lines and then you'd be able to apply right there. Now as long as you see this option to apply, you will always be accepted. However, I recommend you go to the US VPN as you'll have a better chance of seeing the option. And as long as you follow the eligibility, then you'll get a public creator account and you'll get the subscribe button. If you're ineligible, I've read the comment section. I recommend you create a new Snapchat account, post a lot, artificially inflate your Snapchat score with those videos, or you just like subscribe to people and then you just send them snaps. And then if you do that all correctly, then well, you're gonna have a public creator account in no time. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, smash like. See you guys later. Bye bye.